So in this video we are going to make a game design for a flying bird. So first of all, so this is the file. So I'm going to give the file in the description so that you can just grab the file and you can try the same which I'm trying to do. So first of all, I'm going to convert all the sprite, all the image in the form of a sprite so that I can able to use in my project. So I'm trying to convert everything as a sprite. So I don't want to do for icon, so it's not rocket. So everything has been done now. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag and drop the cloud to the game scene. And then you want to convert the camera system. So camera system need to be orthographic. Since orthographic is a 2D view, so I try to convert from perspective to orthographic mode. So now in the scene view, just choose 2D and then drag and drop the grass, rename the grass to ground, and then drag and drop the bird. So bird I have 3 animations. I'm going to have ideal one, rename everything so that you can be able to understand each and every frames. This is fly, and then this is dead, and idle. So drag and drop the idle. I don't read other 2 frames, only idle right now. You can able to see only one cloud you can able to view, other 2 ground and player is not able to visible. In order to avoid that, you want to add a sorting layout. So click on the sorting layout and add the layer. First layer is going to be a cloud, and next layer it's going to be bird, and then the third layer it's going to be ground. So there is no, and then come over here and choose each and every layer and then bird. So we have chosen each and everything. So just move slide little bit down of a ground so you can able to see each and every object perfectly arranged in top to bottom. So the even if it is, you want to make sure that every object need to be arranged accordingly from ascending order, lower to upper, cloud, bird and ground. So you don't want to worry, it should be arranged in hierarchy. It need to be arranged only in this field, not in that field. So make sure that everything should be arranged perfectly in sorting view, not don't want to worry about the hierarchy view. So make sure that everything perfect in sorting layout and choose accordingly. That's it. So you can be able to view everything if you arrange everything in a perfect order. Okay, next what we are going to do, we are going to switch the platform to Android. Since we are doing a product for Android, so I just switch the platform to Android. And then the type of the mode we are doing is landscape, not a portrait. So make sure that it should be in the landscape mode, and then resize the player object a little bit smaller. Okay, this is perfect. I believe this was perfect. Next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to move the ground a little bit down. Okay, this was perfect. Yeah, this is fine now. So go to the build setting and add the current scene. This is the only one scene we have, so I just added the scene. So this is the fly animation and then dead animation, but I don't want to do anything right now. Animation we are doing later on. So let's have idle right now, don't want to do anything. Next, hit play and let's see what happening. So if you see, nothing will be happening because we don't have any interactions. So go to the player and have some physics system. So I'm going to have rigid body 2D. So it need to be a 2D, not a rigid body. So after adding hit play, let's see what happening. So yeah, now the object is start moving down, but the issue is the object is not able to detect by ground. You want to detect the ground, so I'm going to have a physics system here also. So I'm going to have a box collider. So the box collider is going to detect the object of a player. So hit play and see what happened now. Even now also the object is not detected because the player don't have a collider system. So I am going to have a polygon collider 2D. Hit play. Let's see now. Yeah, now the object able to detect by the ground perfectly. So you want to make sure that both ground need to have a collider and player need to have a polygon and rigid body, so that you are able to interaction between the two objects perfectly. So now the everything has been set up nicely. Both ground and player need to have a certain event systems component to detect each and everything. In the next video we'll see a next progression of a bird controller. So thanks for watching and please subscribe for the video.